After an abortion, there are few things you're supposed to do as a woman. I mean, after miscarriage, there are certain things, 3 things you're supposed to do as a woman to prevent you from having difficulty in getting pregnant when you want to. Now, I'm making this video because a lot of people end up not getting pregnant after an abortion, or they end up having difficulty getting pregnant after an abortion, and they'll be wondering why they are not getting pregnant. They'll be wondering if it's God punishing them. It's not because God is punishing you, just because you might be missing out. These 3 things I'm going to be explaining in this video. So in case you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Dr. D. You can do well to hit on the subscribe button so you can get more amazing videos like this, and don't forget to watch this video to the end so you can get all the amazing informations I have for you about the things and steps you're supposed to take after undergoing an abortion or miscarriage as a woman. Now, one of the first things you must do after an abortion as a woman is to go for an abdominal scan. Why are you going for an abdominal scan? Number 1, to prevent you from having remnants that you are not aware of. Because after an abortion, there will be some particles that might be remaining, particles of the things that came out that might be remaining in your womb. So you need to check to know if they are still there. Because if they are still there, you might be having abdominal pain. You might even be having the symptoms of abortion, of pregnancy, not because you have not undergone the abortion or the abortion was not successful, but because those particles are still there. So what you must do is to go for an abdominal ultrasound scan. So if those particles are there, they can be evacuated out, they can be removed, and you'll be successfully treated well. And again, it can prevent you from having scars in your womb, because when these particles are left there, they can cause scars, they can cause debris, they can cause injury to your womb. And once you have an uterine scar, you have a scar in your womb, it can prevent you from getting pregnant when you want to get pregnant later in future. And that's why you must go for an abdominal scan, so they can check all of this, to check for the health of your womb, the health of your ovaries, the health of your cervix, and the health of your vagina as well, so you can know you are healthy as a woman. Now, the second thing you must always do after an abortion or miscarriage as a woman is to go for bacterial and yeast infection treatment. Most times after an abortion, you have high risk of having bacterial or yeast infection as a woman, and that's why I always recommend that after an abortion, you just visit your gynecologist, visit your doctor. They will recommend certain kinds of medications to you, antibacterial medication, basically, to be able to prevent you from this kind of infections. Because once this infection sets in, mostly it can cause PID, gonorrhea, and so many of them. And once the ovaries, the fallopian tubes, your uterus, which is your womb, are inflamed due to PID of the infection you got when you had an abortion, it can make you have difficulty in getting pregnant when you want to get pregnant. So you must go for treatment after an abortion. It's very, very important. Number 3 of the thing you must do, that abortion happened because either you might have not been prepared for pregnancy. And if you're not prepared for pregnancy, there are ways you can prevent unwanted pregnancy. And what should you do? Go for family planning. Contraceptions. There are different kinds of contraceptions, like the pills, the one you'll be taking every day, tablet. There are injectables, the one that will inject inside you. It can spend up to 2 months, 3 months without you getting pregnant. There are implants, the one they can insert into your body. That one can be up to years without you even getting pregnant if you want to. And there are ones they can insert inside you. There are IUDs, condoms, and so many of them. So as a woman, if you have undergone an abortion, you need to go for a family planning procedure. You need to visit your doctor so they can check you and recommend the best family and contraception method for you. Mind you, not all family planning methods are suitable for everybody. There are persons that might not like pills, there are persons that might not like injectables, or it might not be suitable for their body. When they take it, they'll start getting fat. We'll be discussing all of this in the next video. We'll be discussing the main things that might happen to you when you undergo certain kind of contraception methods. But for the sake of this video, we're only talking about the things you're supposed to do after an abortion, and this is the last thing you're supposed to do after an abortion. Go for family planning method so you can avoid unwanted pregnancy. So after watching all of this video, you are having questions you want to ask relating to other things about your health, please do well to drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so you can be getting more amazing videos like this next time I make an update. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.